Let's get started with a blank slate. We'll be building something powerful today, so keep an open mind. First, we need to set the stage. This is your GoFlow dashboard. Think of it as our command center. Our goal today is to integrate Twilio, a communication powerhouse, directly into our GoFlow workflows. This integration is like building a bridge. On one side, we have GoFlow managing our processes, and on the other, Twilio ready to send out messages. We're connecting these two so they can talk to each other seamlessly. Every great automation starts with a trigger. This is the event that kicks off our process. For example, a new customer signing up, a form submission, or even a specific time of day. Once our trigger is set, we introduce the action. In this case, we're using Twilio to send SMS. This node is where the magic happens, taking our trigger and turning it into an outgoing message. Now we configure the instructions for our message. Who is it going to? What's the sender ID? And what will the message say? This is where you'll personalize and direct your communication. And there you have it, a complete workflow when that initial trigger occurs. GoFlow will now use Twilio to send out your customized message. Simple, automated, and effective communication.